Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel once again. So in today's video, I'm going to be talking about another airdrop on Satoshi app. If you are currently mining on Satoshi app now, you should be able to know that there's another airdrop that is going on. And if you don't have the app, if you don't have this Satoshi app, I'm going to drop this link on my video description so you can click on it and download the app and start mining with your Satoshi app. You know how Satoshi app works. You know that there are a lot of airdrops on Satoshi app, and in Satoshi app you don't need gas fee, you don't need any this thing. All you just have to do is when the airdrop is about to launch, you will be asked to drop your wallet address and the coin will be sent to your wallet. Now with that being said, make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel so that when next I post another airdrop, you will be able to get a notification. Now when you come to your Satoshi app, you go to project. When you go to project, you are going to see the airdrop. It's going to be the number one. You can see it here, Haven1. This is an airdrop that is going on Satoshi. Can remember we are doing this Cordadao, this Cordadao airdrop, where it's going to end very soon. It's going to end very soon. So make sure you are participating in this one, and also make sure you are participating in this Haven1. Now this is it. You can see the estimated time for this airdrop is going to end on 28th September 2024. You can see the withdrawal estimated time. So this airdrop is not that much. It's not that much. For those of you that want to participate in the testnet process, you can also use your desktop. Read up this article here. You will be able to know how to participate in the testnet with your desktop. For those of you that doesn't have a laptop, you can easily participate in the airdrop. Just click on participation, just the same way you have been mining other airdrop in your Satoshi app, and then you start mining this particular airdrop. It's currently free on Satoshi app. You can see I'm already mining already. You can see my airdrop here. You can see it here. I'm currently mining, and we hope that this particular airdrop will be launched soon. So guys, thank you for watching my video. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel like I usually say, so that when next I post another video, you will be able to get a notification.